Now to a possible norovirus outbreak at a local restaurant. The Livingston County Health Department is looking into reports of people getting sick after eating at a Brighton Buffalo Wild Wings. Officials say people affected at the location in Green Oak Village Place Mall, and they started to get reports Monday morning. Health officials say there are no samples to confirm the virus or what type of outbreak this is, or if it's a food-borne illness.
Well, dealing with the norovirus can be very scary, especially if you're not sure what to do when you're infected.
So Dr. Nandi steps in with a look at how to prevent it, how to treat it, Doc.
Yeah, pretty serious stuff. You know, norovirus can affect anyone and is very contagious. It's the most common cause of gastroenteritis in the U.S., and this means the stomach and the intestines can get inflamed and leads to stomach pain, nausea, and diarrhea, and vomiting. It causes 19 to 21 million illnesses and contributes anywhere from 507 to 800 deaths per year. So it's pretty serious here.
You know, it's fairly pervasive. How does one get it?
Yeah, so you can pick up norovirus by accidentally getting stool or vomit from an infected person in your mouth. This often happens by having direct contact with someone who's infected. It's easily passed, I emphasize, easily passed by sharing foods or utensils with them, or touching even surfaces or objects that are contaminated with the virus. So, you know, pretty easy catch.
So you prevented hand washing, does that work?
Number one, hand washing, but there's no vaccines to prevent norovirus infection. Best ways to prevent, as you talked about, proper hand hygiene, wash fruits and vegetables, and cook seafood thoroughly, so really important.
What can you do if you're infected? Yeah,
so if you're infected, number one, do not prepare foods and make sure to clean any contaminated surfaces after throwing up or having diarrhea. There are no drugs to treat this, so taking care of yourself while feeling ill is important. So here are my prescriptions, as always, to stay healthy while you're infected. Number one, watch for dehydration. It can lead to serious problems and may require hospitalization. And drink plenty of fluids. Avoid sugary drinks. Sports drinks and other drinks without caffeine or alcohol can help. Oral rehydration fluids like Pedialyte are the most helpful if feeling mildly dehydrated. Also, get rest, always important. Give your body a chance to recover and heal. And wash hands frequently with soap and water is the best, followed by alcohol-based hand sanitizer.
All right, Doc, thank you so much. And if you have a question for the doctor, you can email him at drnandi@WXYZ.com or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter.
And if there are any more questions, we can be on Facebook Live that can answer it.
All right. Thank you, Doc.